People are now learning what this federal commission wants, and they're calling. Are you getting dozens, hundreds of calls?
We actually have been tallying. I think it's probably less than 100.
Less than 100.
More than dozens.
So this is what you put out a week ago on June 30th. Wisconsin statutes do not permit the state to release a voter's date of birth, driver's license number, or social security number. State statutes permit sharing confidential information in limited circumstances with law enforcement agencies or agencies of other states. And in the final sentence, the Presidential Commission does not appear to qualify under either of these categories. So let's talk about the Presidential Commission.
It's called the Presidential Commission on Election Integrity. I think the President and others involved in the commission have indicated that one goal is to look at potential voter fraud.
Specifically, what do they want, when do they want it, and then we can get into the response.
Sure. The commission sent a letter to every state requesting voter data by July 14th.
What exactly about an individual voter is going to go to this commission, please?
Sure, it will be the name, voter's address, elections that they participated in since 2006, along with there are some categories of voters, military voters, voters who are overseas. The commission requested that data if there are any special categories of voters. The commission also requested information that we don't have, such as the political party affiliation. We also need to have the fee paid before we can release any data. So they've requested a statewide list that would be a charge of $12,500. And under current statutes, we cannot release the data until we receive payment.
When the 100 plus callers ask, what's going to happen with my data? What's the agency saying?
This is really a public records request, and under Wisconsin's public records law, we are not able to inquire into the reason or what people will do with the data that they are requesting.